What are you doing? Huh? You didn't want to take a nap? No naps? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where's the baby's eyes? Where's the baby's eyes? Where's the baby's eyes? Show mommy. Where's the baby's eyes? Let's see. Where's the baby's eyes? Good girl. Look at my baby's eyes. Those are some sad crying eyes. Sad crying eyes. Mom gave in. It was about 45 minutes of screaming and gagging. I think we even had a little bit of pukey. What are we going to do with you? Huh? Maybe we're just going to have one nap every day now? You're just giving Mom a hard time? Daddy says you never cry in the mornings. Got runny nose and everything. Hi. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Make Mommy's heart sad. Yes, you did. Can you say bye-bye? Are you doing so big? How big's Amelia? So big. So big. See, I'm not tired at all. You got strawberries all over your shirt. Okay, bye-bye.